Hi, this is Hamad Afzal, and today I will teach you to install WordPress on your local computer. For this tutorial, we will use Windows operating system. And there are few reasons to install it on your computer, because the development process become very fast, and if you are a newbie, you can explore it fully without fear and making mistakes. Third one, you don't need domain, hosting and internet. So there is a good chance to expert yourself. That's it. Before installing WordPress on your computer, we need two things. The first thing is a server, which is required to run your website. So for this, we will use Wamp server, and you can download it from Wamp server website. If you are using 32-bit Windows operating system, then you will install 32-bit, and if you are using 64-bit Windows operating system, then you will install 64-bit. Once you have installed and run, it will show like that icon W, because I have already installed and it's looking like that. Actually, there is a server on your computer where your WordPress website will run. Okay, once you have installed that, then you will go to the wordpress.org and download the latest version of WordPress. Currently it is 4.2.2. I have also installed that version as well, so you can install it from that website. Once you have installed, the next step is open root directory, Wamp root directory, where your website will be existed. So I will copy the downloaded version of WordPress into my Wamp root directory. Now start copying. In the same time, I will open phpMyAdmin to create database for that website. Here you can add your website database. So I'm entering db _ website. and press on create button. Now your database for the website has been created. Now the next step is open root directory, Wamp root directory. You can also access it from C drive, then Wamp and www root directory. First rename your folder. First website. Open. Here you can find WP config file. By default, it will look like WP sample file. You should first change it to WP-config file, then open it in a word editor. And in database name, you will enter the name which you have recently created in phpMyAdmin dp_website. User should be root, and password should be empty. Now save that file. Now you have created the database and you have edited the WP config file. Now it's time to install your WordPress on your local computer. So open the browser, type localhost and then your website name, which is first website. Localhost first website and press on enter. Now your website is ready to install. Select your desired language. I am selecting the English. Press on continue. Enter the site title. I have entered first website, username admin, password. For time being, I am adding 1 2 3 4. But you can add your desired username or password, and I will highly recommend you to add different usernames and password, strong password, and try to choose other username rather than admin. And enter your email here, whatever you have email. Always double check your email before pressing on install WordPress button, because if you will enter the wrong email in this field, then probably you will not receive the email related to your website. So be careful. The last option is privacy, so uncheck this. You don't need right now, and you can also add later when your website become live and your SEO is completed, then you can check this option later. Okay, then press on install WordPress button. Congratulations, your WordPress has been installed. Now you can log in. Enter your username and password and press on login button. Now you are redirected to dashboard, where you can develop your first website. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.